It rained a little overnight, and I got lucky and it stayed away until just now. Ready to go. Try to get out onto the main lake today, which is another mile and a half up Little Caribou. And there's the portage, and there's the outflow is right next to it. Whew, rainy day. It has been raining all day. It's been drizzling mostly, but for a while there it rained hard. I actually did see a caribou on one of the islands. Good morning. Sun's out. There's my campsite. Getting kind of a late start today after all the rain yesterday. That's looking out into the main Caribou Lake. Outlet Bay, going to Smoothrock Lake. First fish is a walleye. Good sign. Not a very big one, but big enough to eat, although I'll let this one go. This is the end of Outlet Bay and the end of Caribou Lake. And the portage is over there somewhere on the left. You can hear the rapids downstream. And there's the short little rapid, which apparently can't be run. And portage, this is the first portage. It's right there. Nice walleye right out of this pool. And I guess I'll let this guy go. That would be a full dinner. This is the second portage from Caribou to Smoothrock. That was nice. Caught a couple of walleyes and a northern in there. Right at the base of those falls. I got caught out on the lake here in the nastiest storm. It looked like it was way far away from me, and then the next thing I know, it just blew me into the shore. I found this campsite that hadn't been used in a long time. Lots of moss growing in the little fire pit. Anyway, got stuff set up and I'm soaked again, but I did catch fish today, so I'm going to have some fish. The loons are here. There's some sandhill cranes out there. Saw a bear today swimming across from an island to the mainland. It's kind of neat. The walleye in the pan. Gotta love it. Made it out to Smoothrock Lake, and I'm going to head over this way. Around this point is Lone Breast Bay, which is my route. So I'm still out in Lone Breast Bay. It's long, but that island is called Bussy Island. I'm just going to check it out. Has a name for some reason, but it's also got a campsite on it. I don't think I'll camp there, but just look at it. Here's the campsite. Little Canadian chair back there. So there's a fish cleaning station. There's a plaque on that rock. Picnic table. Firing. There's some propane tanks with frying pan and a stove and everything. Well, I made it to this little island on Laurent Lake. Got here around 4. It's 4:30 now. Right at the end of Laurent Lake, there's this little dot of an island. Didn't say there was a campsite, but as I approached, it looked like there was. There's just this beautiful spot, flat, mossy spot for the tent. And then, which is nice and dry now. Got some stuff hanging on lines everywhere. Nice little trail over to the camps where the firing. Then the view out to the lake. Nice and windy, everything's drying very fast. This is Lone Breast Bay of Smoothrock Lake. Had the wind at my back all day once I turned into Lone Breast Bay. All the way up. Cruised pretty well. This was just a little pull through. But as I was approaching this little island right there, I saw something in the woods and found this campsite on it. So that's where I am, right there on that dot.